Hello, viewers. Welcome to you, Prominent Consultant live session with University of Creative Arts from United Kingdom. And today we have a very special guest with us from the university, who is Reena Jethwani, who is the regional manager of University of Creative Arts and looking after the South Asia part for the university. Actually, honestly speaking, we are passing a very tough time, and not only in Bangladesh, the whole world is passing this tough time because of COVID-19, and we are just sitting in our home and just trying to solve the students' problem, students' issue from the home to online platform. So till now, we have not done any live session, but we have started we're doing live session with our partner university so that students can get to know about the details and how to process, how to put their applications during this tough situation, as they are not able to go outside and they cannot meet with us personally, physically. So I think this live session will be a very good platform for you to learn the more things about University of Creative Arts and of course study in UK matter. And I would like to say all of you to join this live session, and and if you face any trouble to listen or to view, just let us know for any technical issues, so we'll try to improve that. And one more thing, that please share this live to your timeline so that students who are interested for a study in UK, so they can be benefited through this live session. So I would like to welcome Miss Reena. So hi Reena, how are you?
I'm fine, Mr. Syed. How are you?
I'm doing well. So how is everything over there in this situation of COVID-19?
Well, if you see currently the situation, the entire world is with this pandemic, and we
Yes,
are all in the same boat, to be honest. So
yes, yes.
again, as a university, I would also, be very happy that I can meet my students online, and I can help my agent network, to be honestly in touch with their students, and so that their dream is always live. And that is why
Okay.
this is one of the very good things what I would definitely like to appreciate you, Syed.
Okay. So Reena, first of all, would you like to introduce yourself to the audience, to the
Yes.
viewers?
So yes, hi all, and I'm Reena here. I'm Reena Jetwani, the regional manager for Nepal, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka for the University for the Creative Arts UK. And we when I talk about UK, a lot of people will have a lot of questions, and lot of queries with regards to education system. What is the stay back period, and what is the quality of education system, what is the tuition fee? So here I am today to address all your questions, where you are free to ask me any number of questions, and I'll be happy to answer it.
Exactly, exactly. That's why we are on the live session. So just we'll take few times to do display a video of your university for the viewers. So let's have the video now. So after that, we'll come in the I mean information session definitely. So just
Yes.
give us some time. 1 second.
Guys, don't miss out the video. It is very, very attractive.
Yes, it is very, very attractive. Definitely, we know that. Very, very attractive. Definitely, we know that. Oh, it's amazing. It's really amazing video by University of Creative Arts. So, first of all, we all know that University of Creative Arts. Uh, First of all, we all know that University of Creative Arts is basically one of the best university. I mean, number one university in UK for especially for creative arts. So definitely, would you please tell something about UCA in overall aspect?
Yes. So UCA, as Syed had rightly pointed out, that we are the number one university for the creative arts in the entire UK. Plus, we are not only restricted to creative arts. We also have lot of unique courses in combination with business, marketing, communications, advertising, fashion, and a lot of people will think creative arts, okay, I don't think this course is not there in this university. No, we are not restricted with that. We have a lot of business management courses as well. And when I say it is very unique, it is definitely very unique, wherein you will not have any course like this. For example, if you are looking in for a business management course, plus you are also looking in which should be very much useful for you in future, and which should be very innovative with a lot of creative technologies and with a lot of creative methodologies. We are one of them. We are the unique courses there. That is what I would say. And when I
Okay.
talk about university as such, we are a TEF Gold rated university, wherein in the entire UK there are very few universities which are TEF Gold rated university, and we come as top 13th ranked universities in the Guardian Times.
That's good.
So
That's good. Actually, as you know that people when they plan to go to study, and especially in the UK, so they always consider the location because most of them are that interested to study in London. They want to be in London because it's the capital city of UK.
yes, yes.
So I mean, though UCA is not exactly in the London, it's just 40 to 45 minutes far from London. So how about the location? I mean, what are the campuses you have, and what are the locations?
Okay, so we have four campuses, and all the four campuses are within, say, 45 to 55 minutes from central London. Guys, I know, all the overseas students know only one popular location in the entire UK. One major thing is that, people will know more of London because it has been repeated in histories and the most famous game, cricket. So everyone knows, like, London. Yes, London is this, London is this. But believe me, as a student, if you are going to UK, if you are going to London-based universities, the cost of living is comparatively a bit on a higher side. Now, we are not very far from London. Like, we are just, say, 45 to 50 minutes from central London. So this itself, will make your cost lesser. Plus, you are not very far again, as you have loads of modes of communication, and you can always commute to London very easily. It's just 45 to 55 minutes, not more than that. So it is very
Okay.
easy, and we have 4 campuses. We have Epsom, Farnham, Rochester, and Canterbury.
Okay. Okay.
So
That's
these
good.
are our 4 campuses.
Okay, so first of all, another thing I need to know that there are a lot of universities in UK, right? So there
Hmm.
are a lot of universities, and there are also good universities. Have well ranking, they are well ranked in the world. So how do you compare with other universities? I mean, why should students choose UCA? What are the specialities of UCA?
Hmm. Okay. Now, when I say, when rightly Mr. Sayed said that, there are a lot of, high ranked universities, but we are nowhere, listing in that because we are the number one. Now, when I say number one for creative arts, we don't have to bother where the other universities are. That's one. Second thing is the quality, the standards, and the education what you get in our university is very very unique. It is more into practical approach. It is more into focused on your new innovations, new methodologies, and new technologies. With that is our resource center, where you have loads of libraries within the campuses. And when I say we have 4 different campuses, I really mean it that we have 4 different campuses, and it has all the facilities what an international student should require. And as I said, our university is the number one for creative arts. Plus we have also been rated as TEF Gold. The other most important thing what I would like to tell is that we are universities where we are not only existing as a modern university. We are existing for more than 130 years old plus. So this itself is a very very big advantage. Now any student or any parent will obviously have a lot of questions, like they might say that I am going to send my son or daughter. Is that university good? Is that university in the right location? All the facilities available? You do not have to worry about that. You can always go to our website, and you can always have a virtual tour of each our campus. So that is one major advantage.
Okay, okay, thank you so much. So first of all, another thing that there are a lot of students from Bangladesh. They are really
Mhm.
interested, especially for bachelor and masters, and we have a lot of students for post graduation courses.
Mhm.
So would you please tell me that what kind of courses do you offer for international students?
Okay. So we have in creative arts everything. For example, if we say creative arts, you have under that fashion, you have under that journalism, you have under that theaters, you have under that creative writing, you have illustration, you have design, you have creative technology, you have games design, you have computer design, you also have fashion graphics, you have brand management, you have advertising, you have business management courses, you have architecture. So these you have film, you have music production. So you name it and you have it. It is that under creative economy, anything and everything, we are there in that. And we are again the number one university for creative arts.
That's great. So as we are talking about the courses, so I just got an inquiry about
Mhm.
the courses. So let's answer his question. That is Mr. Raihan Farooq. He
Uh-huh.
said that he's asking that do you offer masters in marketing?
We do have. We have a master's in marketing, which is also there as a general master's in marketing with communications. You also have with strategic, and you also have a course which is say masters of global business and management, where one of the module is for marketing.
Okay, that's great. And so, Mr. Ryan, your subject is available really, Masters in Marketing, and definitely you can talk to us. Our contact number is in there in the caption, and also you can see the scroll in there. Our details are over there, so you can contact us or you can send your CV to our email address for the assessment. And dear viewers, I would like to say that. If you have any question regarding anything about study in UK or study in UCA, just let us know, and we will try to answer your question. And honestly speaking, I have seen there courses, and they have very fantastic and uncommon courses. I really love to see this. And they have even textile, they have even fashion merchandising. Actually, you know that Bangladesh is one of the country of textile, fashion design, garments. Garments is the most biggest, the biggest industry in our country. So if you're looking for fashion, textile, merchandising, UCA could be the best option for you. Not only that, the lot of media courses so far I have seen. So Rina, next important question is that which actually we'd like to know, that especially the admission requirement for bachelor and masters, and if they cannot meet, there sometimes they look for the foundation course. So would you please explain about these issues?
Okay, so we have different courses. For example, we have diplomas, which is higher national diplomas. We have undergraduates, we have postgraduate thought modules, we have postgraduate research, we have masters in research, we have PhDs and MPhils. So now, when I talk really about the entry requirement, see, we are one of the universities who really accept medium of instruction letter, which is one of the most important factors. You know what Bangladeshi students will definitely look in for. Like, this is one very good news for you guys, that in case if you are if you have studied your bachelor's, or the last 3 years of your studies, the last 3 years, which is like, for example, if you have studied last year and before that and before that, then we accept it from the institution, that if you have done it in medium of instruction and the assessment also is done in English, then we accept that letter. So that is one. Now, when I talk about the standard entry requirements, we generally require a first class, where I can say, like, out of say 4, we would require a 2.5 for masters, and for bachelors, we require a 3 out of 5. So this is the basic standard requirements. Plus, in case if you have applied for any course which requires a portfolio, for example, specifically for design related courses, for fashion related courses, for architecture, for games design, these are all courses which definitely requires a portfolio. But one good thing what I would like to tell you guys now is, uh, because we as a university understand the current lockdown situation, and we also understand that it is not possible for the students to go and get the medium of instruction letter or the recommendation letters. So what I would like to tell you guys is that if you can just apply through Mr. Syed, with your academics and your passport copy and your CV, we can still offer a conditional offer letter, provided you meet the standard entry requirements, at least the academic entry requirements. So that is one good
Okay.
thing.
Okay.
And with
And I think
regard to
yes.
IELTS, then we require a UG and a PG, overall of 6, no band less than 5.5. There are like few courses, 4 courses are there, which requires a overall of 6.5, no band less than 6, which is say MBA, MBM, and we have Masters of Filmmaking and Masters of Architecture. So these 4 courses requires a 6.5, no band less than 6.
Okay, I think another thing we need to say that for
Yeah.
MBA, I think you require 2 years of work
Yes.
experience,
Yes.
especially for
So
MBA.
yes. So for MBA, the students must have a minimum of 2 years of work experience, and then only they are eligible. But again, not to be like sad about it, you also have an alternate course called as Global Business Management, that is masters, which is equivalent to MBA. I'm not saying equal, but equivalent to MBA, and it will also give you a very good scope, provided based on your performance there. So
Okay.
that is also possible for all the freshers who have graduated this year.
Okay, so I would like to tell all Bangladeshi students, if you have finished your bachelor degree in English medium, so definitely you can apply to UCA without IELTS, providing your media of instruction. And in some cases, you may attend some internal test of UCA given by the UCA, and definitely it's a very good option. And as this at this moment we are locked down, so you cannot move around. So that's why you can apply conditionally now without any MOI. So it's a very good thing for us. And the most attractive part I would like to know from you, that that people, they want some waiver, some scholarship, because the UK fee is a bit high. That
Hmm.
UK is an expensive country, so people always expect some scholarship, some waiver on their tuition fees. So what is the policy, or what is the scheme by UCA for a scholarship?
Okay, the best thing is that we have our Vice Chancellor Scholarship open still, and that ends by May 30th. So, what I would request all you Bangladeshi students is go approach prominent consultant, apply for your application first, the normal application, get your offer letter, and go approach Mr. Syed. He will help you out for this Vice Chancellor Scholarship, which is £5,000, and which is only limited to 28 numbers now, because earlier it was 50, now it is gone, and now it is only 28, which again will go off within May 30th. This is one scholarship. There are other early bird scholarships which are still available, which is say 2,500. You have 2,000, you have 1,500, and you have £1,000. So these are again early bird scholarships. Again, it is being given by the tutor or the admissions department directly to the student. But wherein vice chancellor scholarship is again recommended by your agent, who will tell us that look, Rina, this student we recommend. So what this is where we trust our agents very well, and this is where we get a good amount of student where they get a lot of benefit on this scholarship, and wherein £5,000 is a very big amount. So you guys must utilize this opportunity. What I would recommend is apply at the earliest. You do not have to wait, that your recommendation letter is not there or medium of instruction is not there. Don't worry on that. Just go ahead, apply with whatever documents you have. Approach prominent, and they will definitely help you out with this section.
No, Rina, I just want to know one thing, that as we know that for a scholarship, especially for vice chancellor scholarship, there is a requirement
Mhm.
of IELTS like 6 and 6.5.
Yes, yes.
So if they right now, if they don't have, so still they will be able to apply for that, or they can.
They can apply, provided they have to give the UCA internal test. Now UCA
Okay.
internal test is called as the password test, wherein they can come and approach you, and
Mhm.
then you can in turn tell them that you can in turn tell me that Rina, this student wants to take the test, so that we can just arrange a session before the test, and they can go ahead with the test. So
Okay,
that
that's
can
good.
be done.
Okay, so that's a
Yes,
very good opportunity that at this moment they can
yes.
apply without IELTS for giving the test. And especially students, they're concerned about the accommodation and living expenses, because it's a part of their
Mm,
the total expenses, so which is very
yes.
important, because they need to talk to their family to calculate the budget. So how
Hmm.
is the expenses, living expenses over there, and what are the accommodation facilities actually UCA have, and students can whether stay in out of campus, or what is the facilities, I mean, how
Okay.
is it?
So we have all our campuses have in campus accommodations, wherein we have our own hostels. Depending on whatever facilities you require, the charges will vary as per that. But the minimum is per week is 180 to 190 pounds, and maximum it can go up to say 300 pounds also. So that depends on the facilities what you really require in the on campus accommodation. You have catered, self catered, you have shared rooms, you have shared kitchens. So it depends on whatever you want to select there. That's one. We In case if the on campus is filled, we also help our students with off campus accommodation, so not to worry on that. And with regards to the cost, it will minimum cost 9,150 pounds per year to maximum of 11,250 pounds per year. Depends again, where you are living. For example, you are studying in UCA and you are living in London, then the cost of living is on a higher side. For example, if you are studying in one of the campuses accommodation, then the cost of living is little bit on a lesser side. So it totally depends on the student and their lifestyle.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So another thing is that which is very important, that about the application process. So how students can do that? I mean, how they can be assisted in that way? I mean, what will be your application process for
Okay,
courses?
so the application process is very very easy. It's a very simple online application, but when you are coming through trusted agents like Prominent, then you can just go submit your documents to them, and they will help with the online procedure. That's one. And second thing is, we do not have any application fee. So our application is like free of cost, and you can definitely make the best utilization of this opportunity given to you, plus wherein the scholarship still open, and documents also are equally accepted with whatever currently you have. So please go ahead and approach them, and they will definitely help you out.
Okay, and what is the application deadline for next September 2020?
See, currently we do not have any deadline, being reason because if you are seeing the current situation, we are unable to restrict. We are unable to much predict on that, but it is always advisable that if you are looking in for good amount of scholarships, then May end is what I would always recommend, because we are normally filled with more than 2000 plus students till now. So I would
Okay.
always recommend Bangladeshi students to apply before May end, and make use of this scholarships and get this opportunity done for you guys.
Okay. And you know that from South Asia, especially from India, from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, so these countries' students, they are really interested to do some part-time jobs during their study. So, what is the facilities over there in UCA? Do you have any on-campus jobs or off-campus? How
See,
it is actually over
yeah.
there?
So, all the UCA students are legally allowed to do 20 hours of part-time job, either on campus or off campus. There are few jobs available on campus. So, like for example, in the libraries, or in the canteens, or sometimes even with the professors doing assisting them with the projects. That is a few on-campus jobs which is available. Off campus, like working in restaurants, cafeterias, yes, these are all definitely available. And I'll tell you one more thing, guys. Like, all part time jobs majorly will be odd jobs, like all whatever I have mentioned. So, don't worry on, how am I going to, go and work in a restaurant, or every student does that. So don't worry on that. It is again your own, choice whether you want to go ahead with the part time job. But yes, part time jobs, there are loads of, opportunities which are available. Sometimes even you have very good jobs like working in call centers, or press, or any admin jobs are also available there. So you can always approach them. And one more very good thing what we have is, the UCA has a career division cell, where you can always go and approach them and tell them, look, I'm looking in for a job for part time or full time, and whatever employers they have connection with, industry links, whatever we have, we can always suggest you that, and you can always go back, approach them. If you are selected, nothing like that. It is in
Okay.
that way. Yes.
Okay. And one more thing, that there are a few universities, they offer, like, the job placement here,
Hmm.
job placement during their courses. I mean, it is entire in their courses. So I mean, it's called also a sandwich year, especially for bachelor courses. So what
Mhm.
is the policy, or what is the option for UCA in this matter?
Okay, majority of our bachelor courses are with 1 year internship. And with
Mhm.
regards to postgraduate and postgraduate research courses, we have a very successful track record wherein 97% of our students are placed within 6 months of their graduation. So
Okay.
that is one very good thing, and we have our graduates placed in very big companies like Apple, Angry Birds, Sony, BBC. Then you have Fashion Channel. There are a lot of things you can easily go and see all our employers in our website. So everyone
Okay.
is like a big name there.
That's good. That's good. Dear viewers, so we are just end of the live session, definitely, and just I just want to let you know that if you have missed the live session, definitely it will be in our page, and you can view later, definitely, and also you can subscribe our YouTube channel where you can find this video as well. So, Rina,
Yes.
finally, I think have you missed anything to say? Any points or anything you would like to talk about?
I will just tell a quick thing on UCA. A quick short
Sure.
notice on UCA. Like the first thing is we are the number one university for the creative arts. Second, we are not only
Mhm.
restricted with creative arts, we do have a lot of business management courses. Third is that we are not very far from London. All our four campuses are not more than 50 to 55 minutes from the central London. That means you are very near to your job opportunities. We have our again a successful track record that within 6 months of our graduation the students are getting placed. That is one wherein we have till last year it was 97 percentage, which no other universities would be having. Again, we have a very strong link to the industries where we have a lot of big names in our industry list. And the few more things what I would like to tell about UCA is that we are again more than 100 plus years of university. Second, one more thing is the scholarships are still open, where you have £5,000, which is the Vice Chancellor Scholarship. The deadline is till May 30th. So, guys, please apply at the earliest so that you can get the best of opportunities. Other than the Vice Chancellor Scholarship, we have our the early bird scholarships, which is say 2,500, 2,000, 1,500, and £1,000. Again, this also would make a lot of difference. So this is a short thing what I would just brief out in the last thing. So it's a TEF gold rated, again number one, and the easiest way to remember UCA is, for example, you have to do a fashion show from A to Z. Whatever you require for a fashion show, everything is there for in the UCA. For example, you have to have a fashion designer, you have it. You want an artist, you have it. You need a theater design, you have it. You need music, you have it. You need a production line, you have it. You need graphics, you have it. You have a game designer, you have illustration, you have performing arts, you have dance. So everything, whatever you require, is all under one platform. So we are the one solution for the complete creative arts. And the best thing what I would like to tell you is about creative arts and the creative economy is 1 out of 11 graduates in the UK is from the creative economy. Plus, creative economy is today one of the highest growing industries. So there is nobody who will not want the updated fashion. There is nobody who does not want the updated hairstyling. There is nobody who does not want textile. So everything is there. So this is what I would like to tell about UCA.
Okay. Thank you so much for your explanation and for the details of UCA. Actually, this is true thing that because creativity is something that if you have creativity and if you are unique in any part, so definitely you can rule the world. This is the very
Yes,
very big thing. So
100%.
one thing I need to know finally that students, that they prefer to go to Canada, they prefer to go to Australia because of the, that post-study work permit,
Mm,
and of
mm.
course the immigration system. So what is the policy at this moment by the UK government for after study? What is the option for international students in UK?
Okay. The best thing is that we also are. UK is again, the second oldest education system in the entire world. That's one. Second thing is, when I talk about the post-study work scheme, after your 1 year of study, minimum 1 year of study, after level 6, you are legally allowed to stay back there in the UK for 2 more years. So that is one of the very, very good things. And for with regards to the immigration process, you can always go and check the immigration website. And the best part is that UK has definitely come up with this 2 year post study, which, earlier at one stage it was stopped, but now please do utilize this opportunity again. And UK will always stand as UK as the second best education system in the entire world. So that
Okay,
is how
that's
I would
nice.
like to tell.
That's great. So people really will be interested now for UK because of PSW, of course.
Yes.
And Rina, any words, any last words you want to say to our Bangladeshi viewers or Bangladeshi students? Anything? Any last word?
Just guys, I want to only tell you guys one thing is, whenever you are selecting a university or a course, please do look in for your future aspects. That's one. Second thing is your affordability. Third thing is the location. Fourth thing is what and all of the modules or the subjects specifically or uniquely the universities have. So do this, do a very good research on this, and I'm very sure that when you do a little bit detailed research on University for the Creative Arts, you will definitely be impressed, and I definitely bet you on that. Plus, you know always I would say that creativity is uniqueness, and uniqueness will definitely make you stand out. So be
Exactly.
unique, be creative, and join UCA.
Be apart from the world, apart from
Yes.
the crowd, sorry, apart from the crowd,
Yes.
not apart from the world. Yes. So thank you so much, Reena, for joining this live session. And definitely this live session will be very helpful, will be very informative to our students. And dear students and viewers, I'd like to say one thing, that you need to check, you need to see the university website, what are the courses they offer, and what is the admission process, what is their admission requirement. You need to see that. And we prominent consultant is always here as the representative, is their authorized agent in Bangladesh to help you out in all matters. And honestly speaking, we have a lot of courses, that business management, some generic courses we have, some common courses we have. But actually creative arts, if you have some special skill, that in media, in fashion, in textile, in arts, in architecture, so that you can be little bit unique. You can that it will be very easy to grow in the world, because nowadays we cannot think a single moment without this. So even there are a lot of works in computer itself, which you can do from your home itself. You don't need to do in office physically. So I think UCA could be a great platform without any doubt. They are offering a lot of fantastic courses on creative arts. And not only that, because they also have some business program like brand management,
Yes.
marketing, fashion marketing. They have global business. So with the combination of creative arts program, so it's a very good option. And the session is in September, so our time is not enough actually. This is April, so we have 2-3 months more to apply for this university, and we people are here to help you out. So Rina, thank you so much. And we
Sayed,
like to
one more
know.
information I would
Yes,
just like to tell.
sure.
See, guys, one more thing. Now, everyone will be thinking that, with this current COVID situation, what would happen if the course is not running in September, or you do not have to worry on that, because
Exactly.
we will definitely, see what is the UK government deciding. And you can always regularly visit our website, and you can always contact Mr. Syed for updates on what is the current situation, and how is it going to happen, and what are the further updates. We will always keep you guys updated, not to worry on that. And I would always tell you guys again one more thing: stay safe and be very careful with the thing. But don't worry, don't panic. because we need to be united with social distancing. So
Definitely.
please do maintain that, and regularly please visit our websites. We also have our online webinars always scheduled, so please do see that as well, and stay safe.
Okay, thank you so much. I would like to repeat again to our Varanasi students, please stay in home, stay safe, and don't panic. Definitely, everything will be okay. Just we need to wait sometimes. Definitely, we'll recover the situation very quickly. So till then, take care, and thanks for joining this live session. And would like to conclude here. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so much, Mr. Syed, and thank you,
Thank you so
Prominent,
much.
and thank you, guys, and stay safe. Uh, be careful, and please do maintain social distancing. Thank you.
Bye.